Yes, yes. We are in the scariest month of the year, guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is my favorite month of the year. Grab your seats, grab your popcorn, and enjoy the show. My god, this evil laugh takes a lot. Takes a lot. I'm sweating. So after missing the spooky month for 2 years, I am back, back with vengeance, back with revenge. I have a lot of costumes that I can't wait to show you guys. And this year we're starting with Universal Pictures. We're starting with the first monster from this lineup. I already did the creature from the Black Lagoon, the Wolfman, and let me think. Oh, Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. So, to start this month, we're going to start with the first monster from Universal Pictures. That was with the movie Phantom of the Opera in 1925, if I remember correctly, or 1929, because I can't remember, but I think one of those 2 years. But I'm taking inspiration from the 1943 Phantom of the Opera with Claude Rains. He also did The Invisible Man. Oh yeah, also did The Invisible Man. Yeah, there are four. So Wolfman, Creature from the Black Lagoon, Invisible Man, and Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Let's start this spooky month. So now you are asking me, why did I take inspiration from the 1943 Phantom of the Opera when there are also like other five adaptations? The one from 1925 or 1929, I can't remember correctly, but I will look at it. It's the first one. Then there is one in 1962, one in 2004, another one in 1919 that was like a mini series on TV. And I chose this Phantom of the Opera because I really like the costume, like the mask, and also the costume was more elaborate. I really liked it. The Victorian touch is really cool. And other than that, I think the actor did a phenomenal job on this movie. And I think it's not talked about very much because of the ending where Christine doesn't choose between Raoul and the Phantom, but she goes alone. She's an independent woman, so no man, no space for love. Career is the path. And yeah, basically, I think it's for that motive that no one talks about this 1943 version. It's really good, especially the acting and the soundtrack are chef's kiss. And Claude Rains, the actor that plays Phantom of the Opera, is really good. He was also good in The Invisible Man. Guys, you must see The Invisible Man. Like, it's hilarious, but at the same time, it's creepy, and at the same time, it's wants to be serious, but it's comical. Like, it's weird, but it's really, really cool. So you have to watch it. So, The Phantom of the Opera is a 1943 romantic horror film directed by Arthur Lubin that was inspired from the 1910 novel The Phantom of the Opera and its 1925 film adaptation. Yeah, I knew it, guys. It was 1925, starring Lon Chaney. It is the only classic Universal horror movie to win an Oscar for art direction and cinematography. It's the first adaptation of the source material to be filmed in Technicolor. And also the film used the Universal elaborate replica of the Opera Garnier interior, which had originally been created for the 1925 film. So the reviews were meh, but it was very popular at the time. Very, very popular. Like they made a lot of cash. So as I told you before, Christine didn't choose to marry neither Raoul or the Phantom of the Opera, that is named that. So now we show you what I did with the costume of the Phantom of the Opera, with the items that I already have in my wardrobe. And I think the hardest part was the makeup because the makeup was hard for me. Like I did it to myself only 2 times before doing this makeup. And also the hard part was using the latex, but the result was incredible, guys. Like I will show you the video right now and enjoy the show. So this is what you need for the DIY of the Phantom of the Opera. You need a white mask, some latex, some fake blood, some cream makeup, white, black, and red, and a pair of scissors. Take a picture as a reference and then you have to cut the mask under the line of the nose. This should be the final result. Now is makeup time. After you wash your face, just take the inspo from internet and start the makeup. So first apply some latex on the half part of your face. Then wait for it to dry. Take your fan at maximum power and dry the latex because it takes some time, and then pull the latex off your face and peel it off. So now you can use your cream makeup. You can use the red and the white to create this pink shade to apply to your face, and then use the black on your eye and under eye area, and then use the red on the latex part of your face. Spray some flake blood on your face on the edges and a bit on the top. And as a final touch, add some black. And that's the result. Guys, I am so impressed, like it looks real, and honestly I did it under 2 hours, so I'm very impressed. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you will know when I put my next video. And I will link to my previous Halloween videos up here or down below of the other Universal monsters. And thank you for joining me in this spooky episode. And the next one is coming very soon, like in a few days. And I can't wait to show you all the costume for this month. So see ya next time, guys.